Still out in NorCal. We're gonna hit up a few of these. Going straight to the sneakers, and I already found something. Look at this. Look at this. Got Ultra Boost. They are going for $50. This is an Ultra Boost 1.0. But yeah, this doesn't fit anybody. This is a size 8. There's a better size than maybe. Or if there's a bigger size, maybe. But $50. It's not cheap enough for me to just hold on to give to somebody. What is this? I thought these were some Pumas or something. 361s? Never heard of this one. Never heard of it. $35. These are pretty decent. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. These are 8.5, going for $65. More than the Ultra Boost. Another one right here. What brand is this? Have you guys heard of this brand? I don't know. I thought it was like Ultra Boost or something like that. Checking to see if this one's been marked down. This is 8.5. Nope, still 65. Still got the MB2s. MB2s going for $50. This is a size 11. Pretty dope colorway. These some Lakais right here. I haven't seen Lakais here. $23. Some Vans right here. The Comfy Cush foam. $35 for those. Football cleats. So Under Armour going for $28. That's $12.5. More of these things. These definitely don't look like an 11.5. These are some tiny size 6s going for $40. Got some Hokas. What are these? The Pro Fly X. Size 12 go for $90. Strangers Thing Vans collab right here. That's pretty dope. That's a pretty dope find. What are these? Size 12. Size 11 go for $40. Another one of these in a 10.5 go for $40. And these in a huge size right here. Size 14 go for $65. Oh wait, I got another one right here. These are size 7 for $65 as well. And this is probably the only thing worth buying for most of you guys. The Mellows. The Mellows. A lot of you guys do like the Mellows as well. Okay. By the way, nothing to show you guys in the apparel section. I did go through these. That was over here. Nothing in the backpacks as well. All right, moving on to the women's section. We do got these right here. Waffle. What is it? Waffle racers? Or the waffle ones going for $45. Some of these Chucks, which are interesting, $40. Under Armour softball shoes, or is these baseball? These kids baseball. I don't know, but they're only $14. Ooh, Ultra Boost lights right here. So 60. These are 6.5, $53. $53. Ultra Boost lights. Okay. Burlington right here next door. Apparel section. Do got some Niners shirts right here. This is a team apparel. $6. This is for women though. Blank Nike jersey go for what, $9? $9. Majestic San Francisco Giants shirt go for $8. Liverpool Nike jersey. This is a small. It is a small. Normally $95. It is going for $20. A pretty good deal. Not much else, so I did peruse a bit further. They just got bootleg stuff like this and stuff like this. Just nothing too high in quality. Moving on to sneakers. Got some baseball cleats right here. Go for $20. These are 9.5. These football cleats. I think these are football cleats. Oh no, these are Trout, so these are baseball cleats. $20 for these, size 10. These some Shacks right here, some Twisms. I believe so, Twisms. The world is mine. Way back when, $29.99 for these. Some 13s. 13s right there? Not really. Some 9s? I guess not. They're bringing back Pro Kids? Really? From way back when? And they're bringing out the one with flowers and stuff. 15 for these. These are crazy huge. Even checking the slides. Man. Nah, man. Nothing. Seems like the Ross are a yes. And Burlingtons are a no. Guess we're going to stop by more Ross. Southern California. It's been like 70 degrees. Lately, I come to Northern California. It's 95. Freaking 95 out here, yo. What the hell's going on, man? What the hell, man? That's checked out. I forgot, they got the BART here. The Bay Area Rapid Transit. Have you guys ever taken this? You guys ever taken BART? I always have a car when I'm here, so I've never taken it. Those are going pretty fast, like 70 miles an hour, I think. Okay. Hitting up one of these stores again. Hope they got kind of the same stuff as out of the Ross. Kind of bare though. Smaller sizes, Witness 8s. Seen those for 50. What the hell are these called? The Jordan. I forgot, these are one of the Team J's. $63, really? Really, for these? Under Armour's right here, $55. I don't know which one these are. Superstars right here. Okay, I've never seen this one. $40 for these bad boys. These are 9.5. We saw Witness 8s earlier, now Witness 7s go for 65. And then of course, these are the the MB2s, right? MB2s going for 50. Jordan, these are Deltas? Are these Delta 2 lows? Delta 2 lows, I believe. I don't know. But yeah, these are like a size 13, 63 for those. Damn you, I thought I saw Ultra Boost. Damn you. Doubling around one more time. And do you got some Nike? These are what, Victory Tour? Shields? Is that what these are? I don't know. But $35 though. $35, that seems like a really good come up if you're into golf. Missed this earlier as well. Some Westbrook. I don't know which Westbrook this is. We got some Why Not. It's going for $63. Damn, just because they see a Jordan logo, way overpriced. Do you got the Niners? Are these the? No, they're not the Victories. Which size are these? I forgot. These are size 10 though. $22. I already have a size 10. I need a size 11. That's what I need, fools. Small one right there. Size 9 right there. Do you got Niner tumblers? How much they talking about? How much they talking about? $15? 30 ounces. I do like these, but the Niner tumblers, they just, I'm gonna be honest, they don't, or just tumblers in general. The top's not metal, so they don't stay as cold. I have a Lakers one, and it's pretty decent. $15. Dude, got these cups right here. Pint glasses? Pint glasses, what they talking about for these? $10. $10 for pint glasses. You know, I gotta grab one of those. I gotta grab one. Should I grab one or should I grab two? And I'm in the Bay, so they got tons of them. They also got Cowboys ones right here, too. Got a Cowboys ones right here. Should I get this for a friend? Do I get 2? Do I get 4? I like the fact that they come in 2 packs. I don't think I need 4. I'll just grab these. 14-ounce boxing gloves. These are Everlast. They are Everlast. No price tag. That's a situation where you can try to lowball them, see what they say. Checking out the women's section. What do they call these? City boots or something? $47, size 8.5. 47's not bad. Got some NMDs right here. Oh, these are juniors, so these are for kids, grade school. $40. $40, that's not bad at all, dude. Do some Converse right here. Yeah, some Converse going for $35. Then got some Vans, old schools right there. Those go for $35. All right, let's go. You found your team's pint glasses, $10. Would you get them? $10, man. That's too cheap. Just dropped off my rental car. Got some ghetto people right there making a huge deal with the cops. Been providing some entertainment. I don't know if you can hear them. Landed in Burbank. It is a trip to get out the elevator and just walk on the tarmac. All right, back to stores out here. Let's go. Just landed in Burbank. Why are these open till midnight? Oh, let's look around. Those Ultra Boosts have gotten me Curious as hell. $30 for Crocs. $30, man. That's way too much. Got the crazy 8s right here. Going for 47. I don't think I've seen these before. Well, I don't think I've seen them here at Ross. Okay, 47. Witness 8s right here in a smaller size. 7.5, going for 60. Got some skate lows right here, $35. Immortalities right here, $50. Y'all crazy, dude. Y'all crazy. More of these things. Under Armour cleats going for 28. I'm just seeing if they have them for 50 cents because every once in a while y'all will find stuff like that. Got some Chuck 70s. And these are hella interesting. But yeah, they are Chuck 70s. You see it right there. You see that sale midsole. All right, these are going for $35. Looks like a size 11. Not Chuck 70s. This is a sale midsole, but it doesn't have that glossy look to it. $40 for these. More of these. More of these. More of these Crocs. Way too colorful. Go for 25. More Lakais. Ooh, look at this. Got these Project Rocks. Starting to see a lot more Project Rocks here. These are 9.5 no tags. What does that say? Oh, okay. They did right inside. $50. Not too bad. Not too bad for those. More Project Rock right here. Size 11. Size 11. These still look comfortable. That outsole right there. These are going for $20. That's a good price. Jade colorway right here. Another one of these. Looks like there's a big run of those. What sneaker is this? It does have Nike React on it. Oh, Pegasus Trail. It does have a Pegasus Trail right here. Going for $60. Another one of these D-Rose 1.5. $31. Awful colorway, but solid price. Another one of these. Guess a lasting Pegasus Turbo Next Nature size 10. $65, man. Lasting in the men's right here. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature 65. A little pricey. All right, next day, right next to the Northridge Mall. Ross been getting more and more stuff. These waffle racers, waffle ones, 45. Under Armour's right here. The Machina is going for 45. These Trey Youngs? I don't know. Chinese New Year version of, I don't know what the hell these are. But yeah, $45. And I see Chinese New Year because it says something. I don't know what that is, but yeah, $35. And then, what are these? Nijas? Some skate shoes going for 47. Got some more of the Chuck 70s right here. See the 70 right there. 35 for these bad boys. And these are all regular sizes. These aren't crazy sizes. Just regular size items. What the hell? KD16s. I have been seeing these online. Size 13 right here. $60. That's a hell of a price for those. Hoka Carbon X. These are going for what? 90? I think these are 90. These are some racing shoes that my boy could use, but these are size 10. Too big for that fool. Yup. Nike boots right here. These are women's boots going for 47. Jeremy Scott top 10s right here going for $40. Like a size 10 or something. Yeah, I'm good with those. What country is this? Is that a country? Is that, I don't know. These are Olympic ones? Like Great Britain or something? Pegasus 39s, I don't know. No. Oh, I did forget the price. $57. Nike skate shoes right here, the Leo Bakers. What is the price on these bad boys? They got React and everything. $50. ACG boots right here. $65. Wow. That's actually hella nice. I would grab these, but they're blue. I don't really want blue boots. If I found a black one, maybe. That is dope. That is a size 10. Who's this? TU? Who is that? What university is that? $20 for these. Got the Immortalities going for 50. These are the Immortality 3s. There's Pegasus Shields right here. Going for 50. And we're not even in the crazy sizes. In the size 11s right now. Seen some pretty dope items. Trae Young's going for 40. Don't see any $50 Ultra Boosts. These are down to $17. Pretty big size 13 though. Finding some decent stuff. I don't think anything crazy, but finding some decent stuff. Size 12 and 13 right here. Do got these right here. What are these? The 7s, I think? The Curry 7s. Size 13. It's marked down to $27. Markdowns can't come fast enough. Got Mitchell's right here. Ones that nobody's looking at. These are the volume 4s. Go for 45. Dame Certifieds right here, 31. Got some ice shots going for 60. Project Rock right here, huge size, going for 35. Another colorway right here, huge size, I think 13 at least, 45 for those. Bryce Harper's, some cleats, some baseball cleats right here, go for 20. That's a huge size, like 15. Then more KD 16s right here, size 13. $60. Starting to heat up, man. Starting to heat up. I was about to wrap things up. Apparently I missed something. Got some NMDs right here, size 10. $65 for those bad boys right there. Okay, okay. I saw her restocking over there, and I saw one of these right here, and nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I'm being hella nosy.